Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Oh, you're here. Can you come get closer to over here for your hair?
Alright, should I try it? Should I try it?
Yeah, try it.
Hey, flip it back. Flip it back. Come over here.
This is great!
Can you take a picture of us?
Yeah, wait. Okay, let me stop it.
Hey, welcome to my channel, Write Your Own Damn Code, also the title of a book that I wrote, available on Amazon. Let's get straight into the video.
The Simpsons are said to have predicted it. In the year 2026, a deadly snowstorm will strike the United States. 7 days of ice, 7 nights of silence from January 19th to January 25th. It begins with dark clouds stretching across the sky like a warning no one can ignore. Then comes the snow. Not ordinary snow, but giant flakes, heavy and sharp, falling faster and faster until entire cities vanish beneath white. Phones stop working, batteries die in the freezing air, and people who step outside feel the cold burn their skin like fire. Even the news anchors, the ones who are supposed to stay calm, stare into the camera with wide eyes and shaking voices. Water pipes burst, internet lines snap, and skyscrapers freeze over, transforming into icy towers that pierce the sky. The world feels abandoned, silent, frozen, and they say only those who are warned can prepare. Only those who speak their names will be spared. The Simpsons predicted it. The storm is coming. January 19th to January 25th, 2026. Will you survive the week of ice?
It's gone!
Glad I could help.
And New Yorkers have got to be scratching their head saying, what's with the sixes? This is what I'm talking about. This is what I was working on, Gail, when I ran in here. Think about this. 1996, all right? We had a storm that delivered 20.2 inches, the 5th biggest in city history. 10 years later, 2006, we pick up our second biggest snowstorm ever, 26.9. 10 years after that, 2016, we pick up the biggest snowstorm in New York City history, 27.5. What does 10 years later, this Sunday, on 2026 hold? We shall find out, Gail.
Do you like the snow?
One for last.
Yeah. Why not?
Many people talk about we're soul on a growth
Can
and
you say
healing journey.
snow?
And that's the experience.
This is not just a snowstorm. This is a precision-coded atmospheric assault. And your body already knows it. Why are entire cities freezing while elites at Davos leak plans for artificial rain and sulfur skies? Why is Florida bracing for Arctic collapse while Russia's buried under 130 years of snow in a single month? Because it's not weather. It's a weapon. Look, you're watching maps, forecasts, models, but they're not predictions. They're deployment blueprints. Each color band, every cold front, encoded with algorithmic intent. 2 major models, Euro versus GFS, but what they're really modeling? Civil compliance thresholds, transport disruption ratios, nervous system collapse tolerances. The real storm isn't outside. It's the one designed to make your gut go quiet while your mind scrambles to explain it. Look, the same week they announced record cold, elites at Davos.
Nah, there's no way. I've gotta try this. Oh my god. There's no way this works. No way! It's the perfect snowball!
If you're into videos like this, feel free to send them on my way. Maybe I'll put it right here on the channel. Hit like, subscribe so you never miss a video, and I'll see you in the next one. Wishing you love and good vibrations.